The Phoenix terminal is unique. We are big.
Here at the Phoenix terminal, we have 3 separate divisions. We have Arizona Ports, we have Arizona Dry Van, and we have Arizona Reefer.
You're not going to just be a number with Arizona Dry Van. I think the biggest thing that we can offer, what sets us apart, is how we treat our drivers. It's fair, it's professional, but at the same time, we both have the same kind of goals, be productive as possible, and then we have to see eye to eye on how to achieve that.
Something that sets aside for the port division itself is that everyone here is very well knowledgeable about the ports. We have people down there in SoCal that'll guide you into the port and walk with you. We have trainers that'll be on the phone with you if you have any questions on how to get your loads out of the port. Dispatchers, driver development managers, even the VP has been here for over 15 years. Especially if you're a newer driver that is interested in coming into the port side and running containers, just know that you are going to be working with some of the best people in the industry when it comes to this division.
Reefer division, man, I love the reefer division. I was part of the dry van division there for a little bit. I would say the reefer division has by far the more talented group of individuals, from drivers to driver managers, because you have to pay so much more attention to the details. You have to make sure that that temperature on that trailer is correct at all times. And it's not just a one-time check, all right, my trailer's good, I'm going. No, it's a constant check and you have to be all over it. Reefer division is by far just talented.
On top of that, we also have a CDL Academy, and then we also have Top Gun for our newer drivers who are interested in getting their CDL and getting out on the road.
So let's give you a brief overview of Knight Transportation's Commercial Driver's License Academy. Our academy consists of a 3-week process. That 3-week process includes entry-level driver training theory class, so that's a classroom application. And then we have a week 2 and a week 3 process, which you'll be out here on our range. During the week 3 process, we get you ready to take your Arizona Department of Transportation skills test, pre-trip inspection test, and your public roadway driving test. And it gets you sharpened up on your skills so you can pass that. We currently have a 98% pass rate on first attempts. We just went through a large audit with Arizona Department of Transportation, and they were commenting on they wish other schools would be modeled after ours.
Top Gun is a 5-day program, mostly designed for new CDL holders, and it's to help those drivers better understand and get confidence with backing the tractor and trailer. We have the simulator where there's multiple maneuvers that we do on the simulator, and also do real life situations. And then when they go out with their trainer, the trainer can spend more time focusing on other areas versus spending majority of the time on backing, because they're already understanding how to do it. When we graduate, we have an exciting Top Gun parade. We get all the students, we line them up, we have our flags here. We play the Top Gun music. We go around the terminal.
The biggest thing I wanted to set apart from other terminals is the culture, the environment that I have for our terminal.
It's a great, friendly atmosphere. And plus we have things like, waiting for our truck to get worked on. We have a bowling alley in here. We do have a gym. Even for the gamers, you could bring your laptop, set it up. And they even have basketball here. A couple guys meet at lunchtime. So you could be playing basketball with your DF.
Knight is fun. Knight is hardworking, but Knight is fun. I come in here and I thoroughly enjoy the people that I work with. I can find myself walking over to the dry van division and poking fun with them. We have pickleball during our lunches. We're here to work hard, but we're here to have fun as well too. And I think that's something that we do on a constant basis, is do a great mixture of both. Knight has been in my blood for about 30 years. And I know you're looking at me like, there's no way there's even 30 years old. But I am. My dad actually started with Knight 25 years ago. He started me on this, and I remember taking trips with him over the road where we would go explore and see everything. I've been with Knight now technically for 11 years. I have to say that it's a great experience so far.
Honestly, we treat everyone equally, like family. They come in here, it's just open. If you want to talk to any other DM, you could talk to any other DM. It's just an open book, to be honest. If you have any concerns, the whole team will get together and try to figure out that concern and figure out a solution for you.
The culture here, I gotta say, it's like a family. I go in, I do know a lot of people, and even when I first started out, the doors were just so open, and their communications with me. We literally have the phone numbers of our driver managers, of our safety coordinators, and our terminal managers. It's not like, oh, I don't want to give you my number, you're gonna bother me. No, it's an open policy. I know I could go to the mechanic shop there, which I totally love all the guys there. I have their numbers.
Our shop is huge. We have 3 different shops out there actually. We have the body shop here, we have the mechanical shop here, we have the tire shop here. Like, we make sure that if a driver comes here for anything that they need in regards to the shop, we're gonna get them taken care of.
The kind of drivers we're looking for, honestly, is just anyone with a great attitude and are safe.
If you're a port driver, reefer driver, dry van driver, it doesn't matter. As soon as you walk in the doors, you're a Knight driver. We all work together. We all know what the goal is. We want to make sure everyone feels welcome. That's why we're here, to support our drivers.